want to say some gabay for you. I was born in the horn, then torn from it, but still chilling in a caravan. No camels or savannas, now we living in the prairies, then we share a van. And forget government housing, now we got bank accounts with more than just 1,000. And I made Hoyo proud, Joe, cause I'm only getting shot by the cameras when I'm screaming out cheese like formaggio. I kinda love Somaliyed, but I'd rather have some mufo. No money in the bank account, most of it's in a yuto. Na jijo. Kale sofadiso, your mind will never open at the Mountains Kajifto. Same thing for Farah and Nadifo, Abdi and Halimo, living in the Netherlands or maybe Mogadishu, Wardegeso, Warke Degeso. I'm that individual or Sikataru Heso. If you want the whole adun, start within your own cocoon. Ga'maha the iskadak, don't forget to use sabun. Adi iskadig, but never live life adi. Bukas the akri, so the kurdism of the akli, because no one wants to be by people thinking fakri. And if it's getting difficult, just try to give a waqti and word to Hoyo. I promised if I ever find a gabbar that was loyal, I'll treat her with some dakan, man. I treat her like she's royal. Sorta like a bakar. I would be her qahwa and mashah, and she could be my sunkar. I'm a hidig, yes, I'm a star. Proud Somali, and I wouldn't change a thing, man, except the bidar. Cause you can catch me in the streets with a da'as ma'awis. I don't stag when I kadi, cause I love madar nadif. Yes, I'm the one, so my flow is hilib ari. Spit dahab shield, cause the flow is straight money. Sip shah with sanjabil, with a little bit of honey. And some say hog, I think it's about the aqli. It's not about your talent, man, it's how you use your waqti. Cause if you're chasing drogo and lag, you'll be a bhakti. Na abti degeso, hoida the nafte the waina udadasho. Her health first, shekadatum beso, no time to translate. Language is a mandate. If you did not faham, your Arab might stagnate. And it's without question, your nigga won't impregnate. So chase your dreams by any means and make sure any win your heens, but never lose your language. Let's all pray that loving becomes a habit. Wealth for those who don't and health for those who have it. Random fact attack, did you know that layaab backward is a yan? And akon la'an, wa ifteen la'an, and much like a shinni, I make what's ma'an. And word to all the jad heads, I'm hard as a dagah. With just one fade, it will feel like ko, labo, sadah. Each one with sound effects like nush, bah, wabah. Cause I was born in a land where the law was the weapon. Until organic wasn't a question, you can find it in a second. But Abba took us out due to complications. Now Wahakunala had the land of First Nations. But remember way back in the day, we came to Canada, saw snow and wanted to play. Hoya wouldn't let us cause it was minus waware. I was gonna use lahore, couldn't find a rhyme, excuse me. I'm gonna use anjera because it's soft on the throat. Plus what people call it usually, light all your own seas and wave the smoke detectors. Shout out Hadakunasha and any ghetto sectors. Or if you're facing tribal wars but choose to stay forgiving. My name is Ahmed Ali, Barisha Wanaks, and if you have any shah, man, I'd really love to have some. I'd be the first to say that my office beyond so-so, but until the day I die, while so